Welcome, dear viewers, to a momentous occasion as we embark on a journey through the heart of Cambodia, where history and restoration converge. Today, we bring you the story of the grand reopening of the Angkor Wat Causeway after a period of meticulous restoration. Angkor Wat, a marvel of ancient architecture, stood witness to the passage of time. However, to preserve its glory, the causeway leading to this iconic temple was temporarily closed for extensive restoration. For months, skilled artisans and conservationists worked tirelessly, breathing new life into the weathered stones. The restoration process aimed not only to revive the causeway but to ensure its resilience for generations to come.
What challenges did you face during the restoration?
The main challenge was balancing preservation with modern techniques. We strive to maintain the historical authenticity while using advanced methods to reinforce the structure.
As the day of the grand reopening arrived, dignitaries, locals, and tourists gathered for a momentous event, the unveiling of the restored Angkor Wat Causeway. The celebration embraced Cambodia's rich cultural heritage, with vibrant performances that echoed through the ancient walls. How does it feel to be part of this historic moment? It's truly awe-inspiring. The restoration has not only enhanced the causeway's beauty but has allowed us to connect more deeply with Cambodia's history. As the sun sets over the newly restored causeway, we stand at the intersection of past and present. The reopening of the Angkor Wat Causeway marks not only the preservation of a cultural gem but a commitment to ensuring that the footsteps of time continue to echo through its hallowed grounds. Thank you for joining us on this remarkable journey. May the Angkor Wat Causeway stand strong for centuries to come, inviting countless souls to tread upon its storied path.